Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the whiteboard on the Splitwise application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the groups button and select your group. Slide to the left side until you find the whiteboard section. Tap on it and here you can use the whiteboard to remember important information like your landlord's address or emergency contact information as it is written in the box. So type in your whiteboard. As you can see, its content is visible to anyone who joins your group. So tap on the save button when you are done and then it will be added to your group. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.